what kayaking does to this ice. The alignment of these gas lines. The organization of these cables. The way this snow is sliding off the car. The way these boxes fit in the truck bed. This long table. The way these veggies are stacked. The Tetris achievement of these Tater Tots. This snow door. The way this field was mowed. The way this beer looks. The amount of Coca-Cola this glass holds. This perfect stack of Monopoly money. The perfect edge of this snow. The way this snow sits on the bench. The way these pencils fit together. The way this ice folded itself. The rounds of this tree farm.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.